Do you ever hear natives use the word per se? Would you like to be able to use it too? Today, find out what it means and how to use it to sound natural and precise. Hey, Lindsay, how are you?
I'm doing great, Michelle. How are you?
I'm good. Valentine's Day is coming up in a couple days, I just realized.
Oh my gosh, you're right. It's on Thursday. That's fun. Do you have any fun plans?
Who knows? I don't know. We're going to talk about Valentine's Day a little bit tomorrow, so I don't want to go too much into it, but just building some anticipation, guys.
Oh, okay.
Stay tuned for the episode tomorrow.
I will be here.
Yeah. So I don't have any special plans per se, but I might be doing something special because I'll have two boys in my life this year, my husband and my son.
Boy.
So hopefully maybe there'll be something cute.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah. So, today we are going to answer a question from a listener about what I just said, per se, which actually I hope I just used it correctly. Did that sound right to you? How did you like that, Lindsay?
It sounded good to me, Michelle.
You liked it?
I understood what you were trying to say. I got it.
Okay, good. All right. But today we're going to talk more about per se. So could you read? We have a short question.
Yes. So, Zhao Junju, thank you for asking this question. And the question is, hi, great host. Thank you for another awesome episode. Would you be able to introduce per se someday? Thank you so much. Very simple question.
Right.
Good question. Short.
Yes,
but
we
good.
can introduce it someday. And so that day is today.
That is today. Okay, cool. Let's do it.
So, I think this is a fun phrase. So you said you don't really use this phrase, Lindsay?
I don't really use it much, but I understand it when I hear it.
Good.
and there's nothing wrong with using it. Maybe after today I'll start using it, but for some reason it's just not as much in my use vocabulary.
I agree. I use it sometimes, but not too much. Like even just trying to use it then, because I hadn't thought of anything beforehand. I was like, wait a second.
Yeah.
Right. So I don't use it too much, but I do like the way it sounds per se.
Yeah. So what does it mean then? Let's get right to the definition.
Let's do it. So it means like intrinsically in itself, by definition. So these are all the things when I kind of did my little search around to explain this phrase. I found those kinds of, explanations of it. So, I think of it meaning kind of like exactly in some ways. So for example, I'm not a vegetarian per se, but I tend to stay away from meat as much as I can.
Yes, exactly. So you don't fit the definition of vegetarian, but you don't eat meat very much. So that makes sense.
Right. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty close. Yeah. So what are some other examples?
Okay. So he's not a big spender per se, but he doesn't necessarily watch his budget too closely.
Right. So he's not exactly a big spender, or you could say, but by definition, right? So that was one when I was looking around. I really liked how that explained it by definition.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where I got that, but I like that. So yeah, he's not a big spender per se. So, or I don't dislike him per se, but he's not my favorite person.
Or the students didn't all fail the exam per se. There were a few who did really well.
Right. Yeah. So, recently, I'm not sure which episode we did, but we did an episode, on Let Alone. So look that up. It kind of reminded me of that because it connected two ideas.
Yeah,
right?
Guys. I like that. Let Alone. Exactly. So guys, go to allearsenglish.com/episodes and type in Let Alone.
Right, for sure. So it's like, it's not X exactly, it's XYZ, right?
Right. I love that.
Perfect. So when can this be helpful? So, I was thinking of two specific instances that could be useful in your everyday conversation. So one would be like in expressing habits. So Lindsay, what could you say?
Well, I'm not a swimmer per se, but I do try to get to the pool several times a week. So I wouldn't call myself a swimmer. It's like saying quote unquote, right? I wouldn't call myself a swimmer in quotations, like a real swimmer. But I do like to go to the